Hi guys, I apologise for mixing this room. It's the first time doing these carpets with a Dyson Light Ball because I washed them a couple of days ago. Just one machine that's coming up on the channel at some point is my new carpet washer, possibly even today. It's the Actual Power Max, but that's another day. I have done a couple of videos on the light ball already, but this is like the first test of it on the carpet. I'm not sure what the dog's barking, probably window cleaners, so just try and ignore that. So without further ado, we'll start the video. I just emptied the Dyson, so whatever it picked up will be what it's picked up today. It's on the middle setting. I can feel it getting into the carpet, so that's good. I like this brush bar on it, it seems powerful. Seems to show the lines up as well, which on the rug when I did the rug off camera yesterday. I think I'll do that today as well. That's not the end of the video, just I've got a couple of things to move which I just realised I forgot to move. There's only a bit of fluff, but I did only vacuum yesterday with the, I think it might have been the DC40, so I'm not expecting it to pick up loads. So I'm just going to move the baskets out of the way and I'll be back again. Sorry about the dog barking. I need to pause to move the basket. I've not done any more vacuuming, there's nothing fake, so I'm just going to finish off this standing and I'm going to go downstairs and do the rugs. I must admit, I do love that new bathroom smell. It's so quiet as well. It's a lot quieter than it is before, in my opinion. About 80 decibels, I believe. Even better in a small room when I'm vacuuming. Still keeping that vacuum there. But I thought I'd do these stairs now just to show off the performance of this new stair tool, which is actually quite good. It's the same as the cylinder Dyson's ones. It's picked up a little bit more than I expected. I'm not sure if you can see that. So just going to do these two steps and then I'm going to do the rest of the stairs off camera, and then there's quite a lot going on in the back room, so I'm just going to do the purple rug off camera and I'll show the one in the front room. There is a video of me cleaning the purple rug already, so just stay tuned for that. picked up on as well is I think the motor gets a bit warmer than the DC40. It does actually feel a bit warm against my legs like it does with the Kinetic, but not quite as warm as that. The longer cable means I should be able to get down these stairs now without having to unplug. And then I'll just swap the plug over for the rugs, although I don't think it's really necessary to do that, but because I can do everything with a DC41 without unplugging from up here, but I'm just going to unplug anyway because it'd be quicker. So I'll see you guys in a bit when I've done the rug and the stairs. A bit of cat hair on the rug as well, so due to it being a light coloured rug, you should see the vacuum lines. I did do this rug last night with a light ball because it was getting a bit dirty for the second time. So I'm just going to quickly vacuum the rug and then I'll end the video. Definitely see the vacuum thing. Okay, so that's my first proper use of the vacuum. The first time cleaning the whole house with it. See, it's done quite a good job. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but you can see the lines in the carpet. I'm really impressed with this machine so far, and I'll definitely be showing it a few more times. I'm not sure if I'll do a review in a couple of months or if I'll leave it a bit longer. So anyway, stay tuned for more videos. I might put a carpet cleaning video on or I might not. And I'll see you guys very soon.